Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode. I've currently been home for about 4 weeks under the stay-at-home order, and I'd like to talk to you about something I did a few months back that was silly and cost me a decent amount of money to fix. And I want to explain the situation, how you can avoid it yourself. So let's begin. My name is Igor, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I travel to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. So it all started right around New Year's. I was flying my drone in the city of Tbilisi, Georgia at night during a Christmas market that I wanted to show everyone what it was like. And I was flying backwards across the fun kind of Christmas market setup. They had all these neon lights, they had these concerts. So the first thing I did to make sure that I was safe was I went up quite a good height. I was about 50 meters in the air, so I couldn't hit any telephone poles. I cleared any trees that were in the area, and I was far away from any buildings. I was making sure to stare at my drone at the same time that I was looking at the screens. I decided I wanted to get a panning shot from left to right instead of just a reverse shot. As I was getting that panning shot and I was kind of glued to the screen, I thought I had enough space behind me that I wouldn't hit anything. I smashed directly into a hotel building, probably around the 9th to 13th floor. The drone tumbled down, the screen went black. I knew the general area where it was. See, through the DJI app, there's a built-in map function that can kind of give you a GPS overlay of where you were flying. It showed me an exact arrow of my movements, and I was able to see exactly where the drone fell. And immediately I could see that I had damaged 3 of the rotors. 1 of the legs was completely broken, hanging off by the cables. The most important part for me was the gimbal, because it's, I think, the most expensive part. At this stage, I brought the drone home to Prague and I contacted DJI Care. I sent them the drone, and about 2 to 3 days later, I got a repair bill indicating how much it would cost and photographs indicating of the actual damage. My final tips to you are, when they consistently tell you in the DJI apps and all the videos you'll see and any training videos, whatever, when they say keep your eyes on the drone, they really mean keep your eyes on the drone. That being said, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. At least during this time period, maybe you could practice up on your skills and avoid this mistake that I made. Goodbye, guys.